Good morning, students. Today's new topic in chemistry is structure and properties of materials. So concentrate yourself. We are going to start. Bonding is the way in which atoms join together and combine with one another. The arrangement of the resulting particles is called the structure. Structure and properties of materials. Substances that make up matter consist of elements, compounds, and mixtures. These are the substances that make up the matter. Table below shows the differences between the elements and compounds. This is very important question. This frequently come in the paper. So concentrate. Element, simplest form of the matter. Compounds consist of two or more different types of the elements chemically combined together. Elements contains only one type of the atom. Compounds contains two or more different types of the atoms. Elements cannot be decomposed by chemical means into simpler substances, whereas compounds can be decomposed into simpler substances by chemical means. A mixture is formed by physically mixing two or more substances together. It can be a mixture of element plus element. These are very important. You have to remember them because in paper these type of questions frequently come. So element plus element kind of the mixture is pewter, that is tin plus copper plus antimony. Next type is element plus compound type of the mixture. For example, air, that is oxygen plus nitrogen plus carbon dioxide. These two are elements and this is compound. Compound plus compound type of the mixture, that is seawater, that is actually salt plus water. Now the table shows the differences between the compound and the mixture. This is another very important question which frequently come in the paper. So compounds composition is constituents are present in fixed proportions, whereas the composition of the mixture is constituents are present in variable proportions. Formation of the compound is formed by chemical reactions which involve heat change, whereas the formation of the mixture is formation does not require chemical reactions, thus does not involve heat change. Properties of the compound different from the properties of the constituents, whereas the properties of the mixture same as the properties of its constituents. Separation process of the compound is constituents are separated by chemical means. Separation of the mixture is constituents are separated by physical means. Elements can be divided into metals and non-metals. Table shows the differences between the metals and non-metals. This is another very important question. Appearance of the metal, shiny surface, that is lustrous. Appearance of the non-metal, dull surface, that is non-lustrous. Melting and boiling point of the metals, high melting and boiling points, whereas melting and boiling points of non-metal, relatively lower melting and boiling points. Density of the metals, high densities. Density of the non-metals, low densities, malleability and ductility of metals, malleable and ductile, malleability and ductility of the non-metals, brittle and non-ductile, conductivity of the metal, good conductors of heat and electricity, conductivity of the non-metal, poor conductors of heat and electricity. When two or more metals are mixed together, an alloy is formed. An alloy is a mixture of a metal with other elements. This other element can be a metal or a non-metal and is introduced to make the parent metal harder and stronger. Very important points. Example is, air is a mixture, not a compound. Give two reasons why this is so. Very important question, frequently come in the paper. The answer is, the composition of the air is not fixed from place to place. Second point about is, the various constituents of the air can be separated by fractional distillation of the liquid air. That's why this is a mixture, not a compound. And other very important question is, iron is very useful building material. Why is iron usually used in the form of the steel rather than as the pure metal? Answer is, pure iron is soft. Steel is an alloy of the iron. By mixing other metals into iron, it helps to harden and strengthen the metal. So this is the reason iron is used as a form of the steel rather than its pure metal. So this was the topic. Read it again very carefully. Make your notes. Thank you so much.